Hello. Welcome to another video. And today it's a big video. Actually, it's gonna be short, but it's a very important video. Gonna do a Preply versus iTalki marketing battle between two giants. I think it's very important to understand what they're doing. Maybe you work on those platform, one of those, and it's very important to know what they're doing in order to see if you may have a future or not with those platforms. So just according to my experience from what I am seeing on the internet, simple as that. So here's the summary. So first we're gonna talk about Preply marketing, then we're gonna talk about iTalki marketing, and then we'll have a small conclusion. So my name is Waddle. I'm a French teacher, and I help other teacher to succeed online. So I made a free course for you. Just go get it about productivity. I give you my secret or what I do in order to get things done, which is very important as a teacher, online teacher. So go get it. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe. And let's start the video. So first, we're gonna talk about Preply marketing. So the strategy that they use like targeting ads, meaning if you just go on Google and type something like oh, how to learn English, how to learn Japanese, how to learn Chinese, you got you interest in learning language, you can go on Google or on YouTube, then you will start to have like a Preply ads everywhere you go. For me, I have like Preply ads on my Facebook when I play game. You know, sometimes you're playing a game on your phone and you have a commercial. For me, it's always Preply. How I find it a bit annoying because I'm a teacher on Preply, so they target myself as a client, but I'm a teacher and I'm learning language by myself. I don't need a tutor. I always prefer like learn by myself. And unfortunately, I found it a bit annoying. But the if you see the statistic for Preply, they really did well the last few years. uh so they give you a lot of students. If you follow the rule, if you play the game of the platform, they are definitely doing good for you. You can find so many students, but that's what they use, targeting ads. So people who are looking for how to learn language, bam, they get spam from by Preply. That's what it is. So for me, because I'm working on Preply and I'm interested in language, so most of my research online for YouTube or Google is just like how to learn this, how to learn vocabulary. Like it's about like learning languages. So I'm a I'm spam with Preply. So now let's talk about iTalki marketing. So about iTalki marketing, they got a completely different strategy. I don't know if you noticed that, but they just use YouTube. You never have like ads on Facebook or if you play game, but they contact many YouTube channels about learning languages. So if a YouTuber say, oh, how do I learn Japanese, how do I learn Chinese, they contact them and they make a promotional video. So it's like a more affiliate marketing. That's what they use. So they use YouTubers to do their marketing. So I saw it 100 times. As I said just before, that's something that I do. I'm very interested in learning languages, as teaching it as well. The art of teaching is amazing. So yeah, please like and subscribe. You will have a opportunity to see many videos like this. And yeah, so if you're into it, you will see that many YouTubers recommend iTalki, and you get like a 10% off or something like that, or $10 off on your first lesson if you sign up to iTalki. And that's their marketing. So to conclude this video, I want you to think. Um, I just want to help you like for the future. I don't know if you're working on iTalki or on Preply. You have to decide by yourself which strategy you think is the best for the future. I made a video in my podcast number 1. You can go see it. I used to be like a iTalki lovers. Then I switched to Preply, and I'm not on iTalki anymore because I think the marketing was not great. So many problems with the algorithm. I spent like 6 months looking try to find myself myself in a search, and I didn't find myself. And sometimes I see the same profile 2 or 3 times. So I think the iTalki has a real problem with that. For many months, I didn't have any not new student. So I said, okay, now I have to find a solution. So I decided to quit. Then I focused primarily on Preply, and today I'm on Preply, and I think it's a better. I won't say it's better platform, but if your goal is to find many students, that's probably the place to be. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and don't forget the productivity course. I wish you an amazing day, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.